Meta has unleashed the Meta AI chatbot in order to take on OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Google Gemini, seamlessly integrated with WhatsApp. It is designed to let you quickly sort out your questions and even generate high-quality images based on your prompts. In this hands-on video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best tips to use Meta AI on your iPhone and Android device. That's it. Let's get started. Meta AI excels in generating high-quality images based on your prompt. Yeah, you got that right. This is exactly what you need to generate impressive looking photos without breaking any sweat at all. To do so, just launch the Meta AI chat and then describe the type of image that you want. For instance, a black dog wearing sunglasses, and the chatbot will instantly generate the image for you. Now, I would like to talk about the ability to automatically save your generated photos to your photo library. If you often use Meta AI to generate images on your device, why not set it up to automatically save the images to your photo library? This will remove one extra step and save your precious time. To do so, tap on the Meta AI name at the top and then select the Save to Photos option. After that, select the Always option in the menu. Going forward, the chatbot will automatically save the generated images to your photo library. One of the coolest features of the Meta AI is the ability to customize the chat tone for a more personalized chat. To do so, you have to tap on the Meta AI name to go to the chat setting and then tap on chat tone. Then select the desired tone like hello, bamboo, code, and more. And finally, make sure to tap on the save button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the change. And that's about it. For times when you would like to share your chat thread with your friends or dear ones, the ability to export the chat as a PDF file will come in super handy. To do so, just tap on the Meta AI name at the top and then choose the Export Chat option. After that, you can choose to save the PDF file locally on your device or share it via email, messages, or any other medium. Then I would like to talk about the ability to clear the entire chat at once. From time to time, you should make sure to clear the chat so that it doesn't clutter your device storage. Go to the Meta AI setting and then choose the Clear Chat option at the bottom. And finally, tap on the Clear All Messages option in the menu. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to use Meta AI on iPhone and Android device. Now that you have unlocked these cool features, make the most of it to use Meta AI on your device like a pro. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.